Since the very commencement of humanity, people are under the grim clutches of disease. Though everybody always wishes good health and happiness. Disease, a dreadful name which sends a cold shiver through the spine. But today, in the era of modern advancements, why should humanity suffer? Why should a wounded or diseased body feel hopeless and despair when relief is around the corner, personified in the very form of determination? RAHAT. For Rotarians, this Urdu word is not merely a word in itself, but a promise. A promise for a better dawn. A promise for fulfillment. It's a mission to serve the suffering humanity. It's a way to provide a healthy life to the denizens and improve the quality of their lives. RAHAT is the ink with which is written the holy prayer of smile. Rightly, we have expanded it to say, Rotary active hands are touching. Past RI President Raja Saboo had conceived the idea and translated it into international mega medical projects and prepared Rotarians to volunteer their skill in the service of humanity. In our part of the country, we Rotary District 3040 organized 3 mega health missions over the past 3 years at Chhindwara, Jhabua and Vidisha with the most willing support and help of RI Districts 3080, 3060, various international co-sponsorers, the Rotary Foundation, Madhya Pradesh government and other philanthropic institutions. Past RI President Raja Saboo has been a tower of strength throughout, not only in getting the project sanctioned, but overseeing the planning and its execution and also personally participating along with Ushaji. Immediate past RI President Kalyan Banerjee has also visited a camp which has been a source of inspiration to us. RI District 3080 and 3060 not only arranged funds for the project, but also sent teams of specialist doctors and volunteers whose dedicated service contributed to the success of these missions. In no less measure, PDGs Ravi Langer, Vivek Tankha, Dr. Nalini Langer, IPDG Atul Gargav, DG Lokendra Papalal and team of local doctors and Rotary volunteers made their contribution to the success of the mission. Much before these mega missions, the information was sent to surrounding villages through hoardings, advertisement vehicles, songs in local languages and traditional festivals. This was essential to bring suffering population of those areas to the camps. A systematic and arduous scanning began in every block 2 months prior to the camp. The health department and district administration joined hands for this mega task. Serious patients suffering from chronic ailments were identified. Over 150,000 patients turned up for OPD. About 5,000 surgeries performed. Around 3,000 cases were set apart for critical surgeries at government hospitals and also super specialty private hospital with the support of the government. Honorable Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh, Shri Shivraj Singh Chauhan, visited a camp with his wife and was so moved by the selfless service being rendered that he decided to allocate a sum of rupees 21 lakhs to each district of the state for holding mega medical camps with the support of Rotary. Shri Kamal Nath, Honorable Minister of Commerce, Government of India, also visited the camp at Chhindwara and made a donation of rupees 50 lakhs for upgradation of blood bank at Government Hospital Chhindwara. Follow-ups and post-medical checks are still on. The treatment of patients from the camp is continuing. Many of the patients are returning to their home and turning a new leaf of their lives. And that was the mission of RAHAT. Our district is determined to continue such missions. Preparations are already in hand to hold next mega medical camp at Neemuch, which will cater to the needs of poor and downtrodden population under the leadership of DGE Nitin Dafria.
Of Indore, local Rotarians of Jhabua, and all of them are serving as if that is their job. They have forgotten their profession, their business and all that. And all these doctors, they are busy doctors, professionally, well known in their own community, and they have busy schedule themselves, yet they have found time of working for 8 days. For what? For one thing, service above self. Because ultimately, that is what is going to remain with us.